So in this video I'm going to show you how to add in a stroke around your objects in Blender. So here's a quick before and after to show you the effect, and let's get started. So I'm actually going to delete the grease pencil and just start fresh. So I'm going to Shift A, add a grease pencil blank object, and then I'm going to add a modifier, line art, and then just select the collection that we have, and then the layer and the material, right? If you want to change the material, you can just change the color here, so that's fine, right? If you have no layer object, just press plus and then just do it again. Okay, so you have this and it's basically done, but you see how there's certain lines over here that are kind of one lines there. So what you can do is, if you go into geometry processing, you can turn on crease on smooth, and there you are. Now you have those extra lines and it looks more like a cartoon, so it looks good. You can also change the styles. You can change it a bit more thicker, but I'm going to keep it at 25 for this, and that's basically all you have to change over here. Another option that you have to actually enable is the layer properties, and you need to enable the Z pass so that it actually does render out properly, and then you can hit F12 and it'll work fine. Blender can get a bit slow once you add in the grease pencil line art, so what you can do is disable the viewport rendering for the modifier. That way you can continue modeling and it will be fast and easy to use, and the stroke will still show in the render. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed.